Hmm. Looks like Twitter was having some issue too. Okay, let me see if it goes or not. Uh, Probably it's not gonna show, but Tesla looking pretty almost opened market. The whole internet sucks today. So Snow, I'm in a puts for Snow. Looks like I'm down again, and probably gonna say goodbye. But CBS. Morning, guys. Yeah, it just I've been down and up, so not sure what's going on. Looks like Google had some issues, so it says lot of dropped frames. So I don't know. My internet looked fine. Let me test. Download 25, not bad. Even if I pay for 300 megabytes, but that's what you get. But download is, let's say upload 5. It's not bad actually. Like it's pretty decent. Not great, but should be like 50, I think. But yeah, it's just fast, so should not have some issue with that. So almost market is about to open, and looks like people are here. I guess people can watch. Some people may not, but let's see. I'll be here for. Okay, the market has opened. Uh, So yes, see, Facebook is kind of selling off on the news. Yes, it could be a good, actually good call. Uh, but today is mostly value. Like BA should be doing good. Um, BA is 33, which is good. I'm right in this area. I'm just writing it till January. And what else we have? We have AAL. Pretty much all this value airlines and cruise were doing pretty good because of the vaccines. But let's look at Tesla. Okay, Tesla doing great. I had some open order. I don't know if they executed. I would be so happy if those executed. But let's see. Um, I'll take questions and go over your charts. But oh, okay, those did execute it, so that's good. Okay, that's good. Hmm. Oh wow. Sometimes you just have to kind of. Nice. 10 by 15 to 50. It's up to 60. So if it executes 55, oh, 295. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's a beauty of Tesla. Okay, because it went a little bit down. Yeah, I have a lot in Tesla, so that's like 5. Should I add more? I think we can. I think that's good enough for 5,000 profit. Tuesday. Tesla. I'm just adding. I almost added like 20 of the spreads. I may add few more. Yeah, I think I'll add few more, maybe 5 or 10 of those, and probably done with it. Okay. I've been telling apps like, I've been telling apps like, if you remember, if you are here, I've been telling apps, I mean, it's right here, right? See, pretty much, see, it's in the top of the list, and I've been telling apps, and I've been selling puts on them. I want to acquire more, but yeah, apps actually had a nice breakout today. That looks good. Yeah, that was a nice breakout on apps. I like it. Uh, yeah, apps literally. I suggested like actually some guy actually took one-on-one with me, and he had a pretty big account. He had almost $1 million plus account, and it was right around, he got in right around 8, and he was kind of looking for idea. Again, I don't really recommend, it's your decision, but I was like, what I'm looking or what I hold and apps, and he literally got like I think he got like 200,000 worth of apps. He told me, and I told him like, I mean, he has pretty big account, so that's fine. But he's up like what, $6? That's what 6 times 40 is. He's up 15%, so he's up almost 30,000. So He paid 150 for that session, so I guess that's paid pretty well. But yeah, apps doing really well. I think apps is really long terms. I think I still see a lot of room. Like it could literally go. Apps is absolutely. Where is our Tesla? Tesla is still holding 21. That's good. That's good. As long as you hold this level, that should be good. Yeah, Baba looks horrible. Baba looks horrible. I have few left, but I'm almost out. But that's good. Apple. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, I wouldn't really ruled out like unless cause I don't know. I haven't looked at much into space. I have a leap, so I'm not really worried about. But yeah, you gotta look into like what's when are they gonna do again. So at least if there's gonna do it next week, at least in the anticipation, it may kind of go up. But um, otherwise, you are just killing your theta. Um, doesn't make like rolling off doesn't make sense all the time. Sometimes you just might have a bad day, like you have a huge red day, then it was kind of recovering, then okay, hopefully it will recover. But with the space, it was odds anticipation. So again, it's your call. But yeah, yeah, I think Morana vote Thursday. No, that's what I read somewhere. Tesla. Okay, Tesla is holding. Not great. Let's look at the what's the volume so far. I think volume is kind of off in this. I have seen some people complaining at volume, but about a million, so not huge volume. Let's look at the small time frame. If you look at like let's say 5 minutes, how does it look? So okay, okay. We had a little bit gap up this morning, kind of consolidated. You can see we are holding that pre-market high right at that's kind of acting as a support. So uh, I mean we open up a little down, but the second, third candle, but it's still early. So hopefully, even if we stay in this area, that would be really good. I would be happy. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, ideally, I wanted to go more, but we'll see how that happens. I don't know. What's my spread? My spread mostly for okay, that's okay. That may go or may not, but okay. So I have mostly 610, 615. So if I'm yeah, I got mostly, and I think Webull I have some spread too, so that would be good. Okay, nice. Okay, Tesla, I'm up 1400 in my, okay, that's good. Almost 10k plus in Tesla. Finally, Tesla is recovering. Apps doing absolutely great. Okay, Tesla, those are I think very safe, and 530, 535, they're up too. Okay, If it's 450, I'll sell it. I don't need to wait 535. Why do I wait for that? So I have Tesla, and here I'm doing great, and this Tesla is, if it goes like what, 445, I'm gonna sell it. Okay, it's kind of coming down. Hopefully we'll have some pump, but I think this would be pretty crucial week. We'll see. Okay. I wasn't looking at some quick finance. Okay, that's good. That's good. Apps looks fantastic. Does it make sense to roll space David spread based on more than I think I have MEDFM. Go space out printing. Yeah, hopefully. I have no idea what is EM. I am out of all Tesla leaf. I had some, but I sold, I guess, early, but that's fine. But yeah, I don't have any leaps on Tesla right now. ESD is great. Their business is booming. They are doing great. Man, Tesla going 16. What the heck? 1 hour. I totally forgot to look into my Robinhood account. Okay, what's up? Huh. So, oh wow. So snow is, oh wow, that's good. I want finally my snow. I'm 50% off. Should have got more. I had a snow puts. So sorry if you are in a call, but credit. Too bad I got for like this January, but oh well. I think that shit good. Okay. Snow is going down, man. Tesla is there. Okay. Apple is doing great. Okay, BA is doing good. How's silver doing? Okay, fine. Silver is doing fine. A little bit recover. I think silver I'll give her one more week and probably get out of those. Okay, net is good. Oh wow. Okay, I didn't even see, but space was down 27. Well, nice. Apple BA. Okay, BA is $6. That's good. So my sell call is up $9, but not bad. 50, 36, 40. That's good. Okay, cool. Yeah, Tesla is struggling at that. Really. Yep, it's okay. SD PLTR. Let's look at SD. Again, one thing, I think a lot of money is going to the value stock. Um, oh wow, I did not even check, but 259. This zone would have been really excellent for ASD. Sold off from this. Actually, you could swing. Looks good right on support of this level 167. So as long as it's hold, we can probably go to 71. That's 3-4 points on ASD. That's pretty good. And the SD business is doing really well. Look at the volume is kind of coming up too, but the sell-off volume was pretty good too. But as a whole, volume increasing. They did have sell-off after earnings. Looks like, well, it rode then had a sell-off, but that was a good support. Like literally from the June-July level. Oh wow, I didn't realize like we went to 58. Man, I missed it. Sometimes you just need to look into. SD is a great stock, it's not going anywhere. You can literally have stocks, you can have a leaps and whatnot. Unless we have a huge recession, it should be good. But right at support. I don't know when I drew that line, but 175 more than a, yeah. With the Pfizer, it doesn't run, but yeah, with the Moderna vaccine and everything, so actually it could be a good play. 175 you says. I don't see that's out of reach, man. I mean, when we had a news, like we literally pumped from 140 to 178 in a day. This is a one day. I mean, we opened at 170 and we sold off, but we gapped up there, right? So it can actually, we are at 60. So you're saying 75. Not bad. I mean, maybe get like 2 weeks out or something. So how's that? Let me see. I may actually get in few. I don't know, but we'll see. Also, you guys don't subscribe to my I mean, don't follow in Twitter, don't forget to do that. But Moderna, I just wanted to see Moderna, how that looks like. Oh, Apple, beautiful. Look at this. This is spread. I called out pretty much everyone. I don't know where I'm at with this spread. Call, I think I paid like 1300, I guess. Did I buy it more? I guess I have like 2500 or something, but I can show you. I don't think I have anything else. There's nothing to hide what I have, but yeah. Um, this is so I okay. I can sell weekly on this too. That's good. So I have one Apple. This is a Leap 73. So I think I got pretty. I got around when Apple was 110 or something. So I'm about like $1,000 there, but I don't know. I could shoot, but this is the one I wanted to. I called out this so many times, and I guess a lot of people kind of sold out too. But you just need to give it a time. When you have a lot of times, right? 130. So this is up like 240. So 340, almost 240. 340, 440, and 5. So 60, 70. My average is around 50, so 30. So almost like 10% up in this one itself. So slowly you are making money, and 10-20% is a great return, guys. Don't get greedy with all those, like, 1,000 or whatever. A lot of times this is like cool way. Data working on your side, doesn't matter. Apple goes up, down. It's just Apple is like in 22, 23 area. It can literally dead in that area and book. And if you get a bounce a little bit, you can sell it. So like great strategy. We're in Moderna. Just wanted to see how the Moderna is running. 2 weeks out is 8. Let's see. So if you look at the option chain, so Moderna, you said 175. Yeah, 175 if you get this week. But if you get maybe 2 weeks, let's say January, right? I don't know how many weeks that is. A little expensive, but 175 is $15, right? But you get a nice delta of 46, and your theta is about $33. So basically with this, think about it, like each day, again everything changes each day. All it has to do is basically Morena can literally go $1 up each day, then you can hold it unless it goes gap down so much. It could be good. And if you have a day where it's gapped up like $10 or $20, which is pretty standard for more than that. $10, you just make $500. $20, you just make like $1,000, right? So delta will increase, so probably gonna be a little bit more, but in a rough calculation, $10 up you make 500, $20 about 1,000, 1,200, right? So if Morena goes, so I think it could be pretty good. I just like a little bit further in the sense your theta will be a little bit low, so you have some times, and even if you get a little bit smaller dip, be fine, but you do need some money. So yeah, but it's your call, not telling what to buy, but yeah, what Moderna does looks pretty good. Okay. How's Neo doing? Oh, fuck. Tesla is at 12? What the heck? What's going on with Tesla? Who is selling it? We'll see. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Um, oh, oh, wow. Neo with the offering. This is pretty good level actually if you want to get some scaling out, but look at this. This has been held pretty good support before. Hmm. 40-45 call could be good. Not bad, even 550. If you do spread like 45, not bad. Hmm. Yeah, right, support. But if it's going down, it's probably going down to 30s. Yeah, I may initiate a position there. How's Amazon doing? A lot of people are into Amazon. Okay, nice. Thank God. I have an Amazon, so Amazon is finally waking up. Okay, nice. So Amazon. Okay, finally Amazon. 32 something would be really nice, but finally Amazon is right here. So as long as if it hold that 60-70 level, that would be extremely good. I'm still holding, but let's see how that goes. Oh, MCD, that's good. That's good. Can you MCD? They said the offering with him. Yeah, yeah. That's the reason they are kind of. Yeah. So I'll explain like how, like, let's pick it. I'll just pick it something like, let's you are doing like 80, right? Right. Oh man, this is so good. Bid ask. Jesus Christ. Maybe 30. I want to pick. Okay. See, let's say if you have options with the bid ask like this is live real example, right? For 33 call, I was just looking for someone with which has a wide, otherwise it will just execute, but this is a pretty wide. So 885 and 920, really wide, right? You have wide. So buyer is willing to pay this, seller is saying this, right? So if you want to buy it, you cannot really buy it. If you put 885, it will not execute. If you want to buy right now, you have to put 920. What the heck? Was it Siri? I don't know. My Siri watch activated itself, but anyway. So here, if you want to buy it right now, you have to pay 920. See, you have to pay more, even if the price says 903, which is a midpoint between this and this, right? Right. If you add 885 plus 920 divided by 2, it's gonna come out 903. Yep. Something about that, right? But if you want to buy right now, if you put 903, it may not execute. It may execute, may not. So, but if you want to buy right now, you gotta do 920. If you want to sell right now, you're not gonna get 920, you'll get 885, execute right away. If you put 885, it will execute right away. If you put 920, may not execute. So the idea is start with the midpoint. So even if you are buying, right, if you are buying, start with this 903. If it does not execute, wait for 5 minutes. If not execute, increase the price. And the other problem what happened is where the stock moving. If you wait 5 minutes, right, stock is not constant. If it's moving up, you are selling it, it will execute. But if it's moving down, then you have to keep lowering it, cause midpoint will be, this is changing always, right? It was 20, I think 920, then 880. Now it's different, it's lower, right? So you put your average to be 9 something, now it's 985. You have to put it. So if you want to sell it really quick, you should put a little bit lower. So 895, put it 890. That way it may execute, depending what you want, right? Are you in a hurry, you want to get out, or relax, you're buying. So when you're buying, you should never be hurry, like relax. That's why if you look at the lot of stocks like Apple, right? Apple pretty if you look at Apple, really good liquidity. If you go to options, and really good liquidity. And if you look at, this is like, if you look at 125, look at that, 86, 87, 60, 61, great, right? These are great. 19, 20, this is great. You don't lose money. So spread is basically you are losing money. So if spread is 20, so think about it. Maths work out. Maths is important, people ignore, but think about it. Let's say a stock has, let's say Tesla has a spread like wide spread. Sometimes it has like like a dollar spread, right? Dollar means $100. So basically, if it's dollar spread, while buying you have to pay $100 more, while selling you have to pay another $100 more. If the spread is kind of constant, right? So your total, you're paying $200 per contract. If you are a big you have a lot of money and you're playing with the big numbers, let's say you have like 50 contract, you lost 10,000 just because of bid and ask. See, that's why you gotta look at the liquidity. That's why it's important. Again, with Tesla, it's hard, and usually you won't shoot like 10. You won't see like 10, 20. Before it was actually like couple dollars, so that was pretty amazing. But the good thing with Tesla is it just goes up and down like a wild swing. If you look at right now, I think it's not that crazy. Come on, man, Tesla gotta go higher. But oh, that was my 800 yellow call. It's tanking. I should have sold it, but I'll probably hold it till make it 0. Usually I don't do that, but this is different way. Let's say if you do 50, I think it's 22.90, 23.20. It's not great, but not terrible, right? 23, so 25 cents. So you're literally losing like $50 in a trade, right? But the good thing is, if the stock moves couple dollars, say delta is 39, so all it needs to do is move $2 in your direction, and you are up. But Tesla does moves pretty crazily, so you should be up. Yep. Other than that, that's about it. That's about it. Thank you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay. Twitter. I think I do have some Twitter. TWT. I have Twitter leaps as well as some. Yeah, nice. Twitter actually just trying to break out. Twitter is actually breaking out. Yeah, Twitter is breaking out actually. Ooh, Twitter is breaking out. I like to post all the breakouts. Breakouts, I love it. It would be good if the breakout is nice. See, you gotta post Twitter chat on Twitter. That's pretty cool. So this guy put like almost. That's kind of, I would not really advise that, but this guy just had. So this guy's bought like. I guess he sold Tesla shit. That's a bad move. You should not sell Tesla, but he got it like $800 18 calls. So he literally got $800 calls. So that's I wouldn't say really good. See, I got one, but not cause he got it. I was just making videos, and I thought, okay, I'll wait. Like my plan, I don't think Tesla will go 800. Well, it can actually, like with if they squeeze hard, but I would think maybe Tesla could go. I was thinking maybe 660, 700 range. That's my target, but basically the idea was if it goes 600-700 it will appreciate no matter, it doesn't have to, so you would sell out. But right now it's getting really hard. I may kind of hold it just cause it's $300 now, like whatever. uh, that was kind of bad move on my side, but this guy has he has 200,000 plus in 800. This is way out the money. He doesn't have any time. The stock has to go above 800 to make it money. Otherwise, his theta is like a lot, and he will literally lose. It's too, yeah. He will start losing. Like it will be zero. He paid like $700. But yeah, but if it goes like 810, 820, 850, he will come out like a couple $1,000,000, right? Um, it's a big bet. Maybe he has a big account. I don't know about the details, but that was quite interesting. I found it. 640. Well, it's not really that bad, but yeah, you will get crushed if you are naked. You will get crushed. But 640, I do see it's a very reasonable target. It can go again. So I think the problem is like I'm getting very mixed. So if everybody is getting their shares on Friday, then it can actually go 640. There's gonna be huge demand. 640 not out of reach, but if everybody is waiting till Monday or next week, or they're slowly grabbing, then yeah, I mean, God knows. But how much is 640? It's interesting just to look at the Tesla price, man. 640 is I guess this. Okay, this is six. Okay, $28. So depending what you got, so $2,800. So we closed at previous close was 28. So today's high was 35 at one point. Low was 22. One thing I've seen is like Tesla, it could go really swing really high. If it go a little bit up, the demand this delta doesn't even tell you shit. It goes way higher. So this delta, gamma, theta are just there to give you a better idea. But the thing is, like, when there's a momentum, it's just supply and demand, right? So what you put, how much people are willing to sell and how much people are willing to buy, that's all determine the price at the end. But yeah, uh, kind of bad part. I should have grabbed 700. I don't know why the heck. I guess I didn't want it to, because at that time this was 700, about was almost like 2000 plus. I didn't want it to put much, but uh, I don't know. But oh well. Oh wow. Twitter breakout working pretty good. Let me see where's my Twitter is. At least my Amazon is making up. Oh wow. So it's around 240s too. Okay, so what else going, guys? Yeah, true Tesla bulls are like, they'll they'll go zero, like go home or go big. But I think that's not a like a good idea. You should always kind of look at your risk reward. Again, it's fine. Like, let's say you have I don't know, you put 2000, so you have, like, let's say a couple 100,000, 200, 300,000 count. You can gamble 2000. That's fine. Sometimes everybody gambles. It's a lottery tickets for you. But if you have like maybe 5K account, you putting 2000 in those plate, I wouldn't say that's a good idea. But always, like, yeah, I played 800. Like, I can't afford to lose 800 bucks. That's fine. But it was just a, wild. I did not even expect it to go there. But yeah, I think, I don't know, whole internet went kind of down. So maybe that's why. But Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Amber, I think everybody's having issues. So I mean, internet was down. I mean, basically Google was down. So a lot of services use Google service, Google hosting and whatnot. So a lot of things were down. So yeah, uh, but I use like TD Ameritrade is okay. Robinhood is fine, and Webull is fine. So it's good. Yeah, I posted Twitter. It just broke out in my Twitter as well as in the channel, but a lot of breakout happening today. Let me see. Just all right, all right, all right, all right. So what's going on? Okay, okay. Yes, any Twitter or Square. I wasn't looking at a Square, but a Square is my favorite. I have been telling Square from like, oh yeah, yeah. Look at that. Yeah, it did broke out like from this breakout, and again going higher and higher, slowly, slowly and steady. Square is my bay, kinda. Vishnu is my bay on the other side, so I want it down. That's good. Oh, wow, PayPal is doing great too. Wow, Puton is up significantly. It's Datadog is doing good. Fiverr, Amazon, nice, nice. Amazon, I want again one more push. That's all I want. One more $65 day. That would be really great. Tesla is kind of holding it, at least not selling off. It's pretty, buyer and seller, pretty strong. I think we will come pretty good as the time goes. TDOC, okay, TDOC is doing good. Octa, yeah, see, DKNG, yeah, pretty much everything looks good. People went for a while today. Yeah. People has been literally like, remember we are with the people around 90s and whatnot. I don't have, I sold all, but kind of missed it that big run. Yeah, we had this 80 90 after that, whatever, yeah, up to after earnings, like it went up to 77, Jesus, and within a few days, and it just came back really strong. And okay, today was a good day. I broke out of all-time high 18. That could have been good. A little bit of pullback and boom. Wow, nice on PayPal. A lot of breakout happening today, actually. It's a bullish. Oh, you just bought. Okay, nice. Yeah, people. Oh man. Oh, look at crowd. Slowly, this has been slowly, and again, I think it will probably break out of this range 180 one day. But look at that, literally from 50, it did give good chance to buy at 162 if you missed. But man, that was good. But Ishno is down big. What about Airbnb and others? I hope it's down. Okay, great. This was just kind of inflated stock price. So Weaver got like who got it at 164, but 126. I think it will probably go down more. And what we about DoorDash? Okay, DoorDash is pretty strong so far. Oh man, yeah. Tell me about Tesla. Tesla, I added today, and look at that. The thing is, like, you just need a patience. Like, if you look at today too, we dip. You just need to have a plan, and one thing is you need to have like, what's your and look at that. This is a classic. You gap up and sells down. So we went up to 613. Probably that would have been good time to but I had pre-market order, like I wasn't sure what's gonna be the price, so I just put it and it was executed right away. And then I added some more right somewhere around here, but again, nonetheless, I'm good. I'm in the money right now, 615. That's what my so yeah. Let's see how it goes, but I think this is good. This is good. I want it to slowly go up or down. I don't want like crazy upward downward momentum, but slowly will be good. But this is doing good. Tesla is doing good. Okay. Tesla is doing great. 630. That's awesome. Awesome. Oh wow. My Tesla sold. I guess I didn't want it to sell it, but oh well, I'll take it. Oh wow. How much I sold for? Oh, wow. Why did I do 45? I should have done 50. Huh. I did Tesla 530, 535. Well, that's fine. Okay, I'm already. That's nice. Good day, good day, good day. I think I have some cash left, so I may actually do more Tesla. Option, vertical, calls, uh, 570 looks good. Yeah. Okay. Well, not complaining, but all right. So what else? I'm good, Deepak. When do we dump all Tesla? Well, my plan is again 18, but see, I dump it whenever. So, for example, I had some call. So I'll tell you. So I had some call for Tesla calls, which gonna expire this week. So I always scale in, scale out. Literally, like if I'm profitable enough. So I had this December 18 expirations, but they were deep in the money. They were like 450, 46, no, 550, 560. We are at 6 something. And I got in around like 250 or 250 to 300 average. I had like 20, 30 of those. And today they were up to 450. So for $50 for one contract, $50, I'm not gonna wait 5 days, right? So I put a limit order at 450 because max profit is 500. So those got just executed. So I'm not complaining. I made enough money. So whatever, right? So I always look, but Tesla is coming back. So okay, I'm gonna post some of the Tesla spread. A lot of people's kind of I'll play some Tesla weekly. Everybody want Tesla, but I'm thinking so. Oh man, Tesla! Look at that. Tesla is 4%. It always comes back. Man, Tesla. Good boy, Tesla. Sorry guys, I've been like in so much in Tesla, so kind of uh, not even looking to others. and I have a lot of Tesla this week. So oh wow, we are at 37. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. What's up? Okay, okay. Yeah. Good evening, that's at the past. All right, all right, all right. Pins, 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 pins. I'm gonna look into pins. I'm gonna post some play like. Okay, yeah. Pins maybe support around 69, and there's some support around this area too. Yeah, it may actually. Looks like reversing from 69, so you may go up to 72 actually. See, uh, it looked like it reversed, and it was a previous yesterday, December 11, and yeah, December 11. I wanted to post some Tesla plays, man, and Tesla been kind of going up and down, but um, maybe 610, right? So if you buy call 600 and uh, come on, and sell call, I hate that. I'm gonna post some of these. And I think the other play could be this one, a little bit like so a little bit out the money, I would say. So if you get weekly like 50 60, pretty decent actually. Sell 60, volume's gonna come up and buy 50. Tesla is holding pretty good, so all it needs to move like much. So basically what 4% for Tesla is today is, how much is 4% for Tesla? So 24, so 20, yeah, 4, like 5 6%, so which is very reasonable. So those are some plays, like I guess people can still get in. The price always fluctuates, but yeah, you can actually get in. Well, in the money is like, so in the money, right? I think I showed two options, right? I'll, if you have money, I'll get in the money, in the sense like, even if Tesla doesn't really runs as we expected, even if it's Tesla remain flat, like doesn't even move, you actually make money. Even if Tesla goes down $5 each day, I think you still make money in the first case, right? So it depends. Yeah, Baba is kind of dead. Mm. Somebody wanted. Somebody wanted my link to my course. I cannot remember everything, so I will post it. Also, if you have not subscribed to my TikTok, do that. It just helps me, and I don't know why it does that, but all right, all right, all right. So what's going on? But I'm kind of staying away. It's not like not making any moves. So Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, I'm not buying Baba at this time. It's just like slow. If it shows some strength, I will buy, but it just keep dipping, man. Just falling knife. You will try to catch it, but it just keeps dipping. So um, I'm not sure what's going on, but seems like it got disease, man. It's getting sick and sick. Probably COVID. Baba got COVID. Seems like. Yeah. Yeah, should have. I think I have two left. Not much, so not worried. Much worried. I think I have said 265, 70, but I sold most of those. Yeah, but losing a little bit there, but it's fine. I'll probably sell. Yeah, that would be good if it recovers. That would be good. Yeah, I like IPOB. I'm in IPOB. I have IPOB shares. I think we'll get pop. I may actually scale out. Wow, I got in around 15, 16, so 26. I have lot in warrants, so I think I have lot in warrants. I have some shares, but most in IPOBW, which are cheaper, but they move together. IPOBW. That's what I had. Huh? It doesn't show warrant. Yeah, I guess this is I have, which is at 10. I got around like 4 or 5, so I'm almost double here, right? So see, your risk reward, you're making more here. uh Little thinly traded, but yeah. But one thing is, like, if it goes down, it can go zero. Stocks may not go zero, or if it is stock below $11, you be like not too good. But yeah, something about that. Other than that, I think I'm gonna say goodbye today. What's going on? Reset chart. So how is our Tesla doing? Snow, nice. Snow go to hell, man. Snow, I want it like. Okay, Tesla is holding strong. So today's strong is basically Tesla, and I think the volume kind of coming up, and yeah. Yeah, we had a nice bounce, then kind of sell off. Good time to get in if somebody got in. So yeah, again, it depends. Again, it depends upon your, I mean, I don't know, risk tolerance and whatnot. I'm holding right now. I may kind of sell out on merger, but a lot of time when merger happens, like, it just pops up. Let's see how that goes, but I may scale out some. Oh, okay. So Baba got fined. Yeah, I didn't knew that, but yeah, Baba is kind of sick. Uh, did my others? Hmm, hmm. Thank God I don't have much in Baba, but CRM is freaking. Yeah, Tesla is holding. Wow, Python also went 120 slowly, almost kind of struggled like around 100 area, and now finally coming up. It's is doing great. Jesus Christ. Fiber up. A lot of good names are up today. Doesn't matter, like Numan Ahmad. It doesn't matter how you select. You just need to have. Um, if you are buying a call, your buying should be lower strike and selling will be higher strike. That's all. It doesn't matter which one you choose. So I don't know what you mean, but if you mean this, I can show you real quick and probably say goodbye. But Google is back up. So see, this is 656 60. Okay, okay, that's good, right? So it's in a debit spread. Debit spread is basically you buy call lower strike. What is strike? Is this is strike 640. So and you sell call higher strike. Uh, 650 whatever, right? More you go, expensive it's gonna be. So here if we select 650, that's your total cost debit. That's it. It doesn't matter if you selected this first and selected this first, but you got to make sure you select this in right order. You sell higher, you buy lower. That's all. That's a debit. If you do opposite, it's a credit spread. So in debit spread, you want stock price to go above both. The more it goes, the better you are, right? You want it to go up, up, up. That's a call debit. That's it. Nothing crazy, right? So for example, you could select, right? If you had, you could select like sell call 650 because you sold higher. Yeah. You sell call 660 and you buy call 650 or whatever, right? Again, it's a debit spread. You just did the, you sold first and bought later, but you did the right order, right? Your buy call is 650, sell is 60. That's a debit. That's all it is, right? If you just reverse it, it's gonna be credit spread. Credit spread is a bearish. You don't want a stock to go there. It doesn't matter. It can go sideways or it can go down. In credit spread, your max profit is whatever credit you get. In debit spread, your max profit is basically the spread. Here is 10, so that's 1,000. You can make maximum, you can sell this for 1,000 bucks, but you paid 367, so your profit is 1,000 minus 367. So I hope that makes sense. That makes clear. Yeah, Fastly, haven't looked into it. Let's look at Fastly and say goodbye today. Yeah, Fastly is kind of going down, looks like. Okay, yeah, if it goes below 94, it can actually go lower. So it's still holding that level. So as long as it's hold that 94.18 level, 94, yeah, this bar, this is the area. As long as it's hold, that looks good. But if it does not hold that level, it can go lower. Right now it's holding it. If it holds, it can go higher, but other than that, I think it may kind of go lower. So far seems like a holding, but this is not able to breach these levels. If you look at this 98, it needs to clearly breach that 98 for anything upside. All right, guys, have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that like button, subscribe. Let's make it 3K by end year. Where I'm at what 2850. Let's make it 150, man. 150 to 3K. So let's do it. Let's make it. Watch my video. I have a lot of, so Newman, you're talking about debit spread. Watch the video. Everything you need to about debit spread. It's easy. It's straightforward. Just I think you can just do RJ Trades YouTube, and hopefully I will pop up. So that is me, RJ Trades. You will see this. I have the same tag. Maybe I should change. And once you go there, all you can do is go to videos, and you can click the search and type, debit spread. And a lot of people are asking me questions about, yeah, how to buy vertical debit spread, the risk, what are the margin and everything explained and whatnot. Pretty much every there watch this short videos. I have like 5-10 minutes. Sometimes it's more too. If I needs to be even 1 minute video, I'll probably post a lot of the short video too. People were asking. I have in my phone, and people were asking like how do you close and blah blah blah. So everything will be there. Just watch it. If you're not subscribed, yeah. Also, I would like is share my content. If you share it, it helps me. It just more people see whatnot. And if you have any suggestion, tell me. I'm eager to learn, improve, in however I can and however I can help you. But other than that, yeah, thank you everyone, and thanks Mike, thanks Leo, thanks Newman, thanks everybody. Have a great day.